Hello, good afternoon, my dear travelers from all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we have walked in Paris in 3 series of videos. We are learning how to walk in Paris. When we go there, we don't feel lost. We travel a lot, don't we? To certain places, get there, you don't even know where you're going, and the Paris series, at least in Paris. With these videos, you won't feel lost. You'll learn to recognize landmarks, figure out directions, and communicate effectively in Paris. Today, we delve into Les Halles, Nelson Mandela Square, St. Eustace Church, the gardens of the Royal Palace, and the Royal Palace itself. Starting from the Royal Palace, we'll head to the Garnier Palace, a magnificent opera house. Next, we'll visit the renowned Lafayette Gallery, a destination some might find tricky to locate. Now everyone, take a look at how impressive these landmarks are. Let's go check out Les Halles. What is Les Halles? Check this out. People, Les Halles, that space above your screen, is a shopping mall, a very large shopping mall with several famous shops. Directly in front lies Nelson Mandela Square Garden. There is also St. Eustace Church, which is very beautiful and well worth knowing about St. Eustace Church. A bit further ahead, you'll find the intriguing Wallet Museum. After exploring the palace gardens, we'll reach the palace itself. We always have a high concept of finding our place and knowing what you are going to visit and what you are going to see. Alright guys, from here, and you're going to the palace garden, the palace. Let's take a look at the zoom there from a height and have an idea of the distance. Take a look. You see, here is a space from Les Halles and Nelson Mandela Square. The palace garden is just a short walk away, a few streets ahead. Now, as we often do, let's go to the street plan. Let's locate you, where we are, where we're going. Let's look at a section of the street plan. Look at how great he is. Guys, look here, right over there is the entrance to the mall that you are about to see. It's a very big, very beautiful, very interesting place. And Nelson Mandela Square, people, so that you can fully rest in it. You can see the signs showing the various tourist attractions in all directions. You are soon there in front. The Trade and Trade Museum, which is the direction we will take to the Royal Ballet Gardens. And over there, people, very beautiful St. Eustace Church. Well worth visiting both outside and inside St. Eustache Church. Paris is very well located, very good location. There are signs indicating where you are going, people. Look only. From Les Halles to the palace, the gardens of the palace. Look only. They are just 11 minutes walk. Very close, very quiet. Make it easy to go. Now let's see the road. From this space, from Les Halles to Royal Palais Jardin, only look. Towards BB Museum, only look. You will take this straight street, only look straight. You will walk to Royal Palais, only look. You will walk to Royal Palais, only look. You will walk along the straight street, this street from the front, look. Walk here, let's tilt a little. Let you have a look, let you understand the way you came from Les Halles. Follow the street all the way up there, all the way to your left. Just ahead is the entrance to the Royal Palace Gardens. We'll make another circle here. Look, there is the entrance to the Royal Palace Gardens just below. Look. It's incredibly simple and peaceful to reach the destination. Now, the Palace Gardens, our second attraction today from video number 3 from above, the Palace Gardens, and there gives you an idea of the city right in front. Look there, the Trade Exchange Museum, where the Les Halles, where the St. Eustace Cathedral, and below the Palace Gardens. When we came from Les Halles, we walked from the bottom of the video to the middle part, which is the garden. Guys, from the Royal Palace Gardens, we are going to Garnier Palace, which is an opera house. Huge, luxurious, and well worth a visit. Let's take a look from a height with a sense of distance. Just look. The garden is right here, Garnier Palace. Guys, look there, it's right in front. Now let's get up like we always do. Let's have the concept of space. Let's see how great this garden is, guys, so we can rest, relax, have a snack, a nice stop for a snack. Take a look at the chairs, just like in the Tuileries Garden near the Louvre. Here too there are these chairs for you to sit in. There are lots of benches, take a break, as we often walk around Paris, and here is a place to rest. Other than being a really beautiful place to take pictures, no, it was really cool to take pictures there. It was great. I took a lot of pictures when I went there. Guys, look, from the Palace Gardens to Garnier Palace, it's up to you, isn't it? The road I'm talking about is an 18-minute walk. Walk leisurely, admire Paris, walk leisurely, then the next tourist attraction is well worth a visit. Now let's look at the road from the Royal Palace Gardens to Garnier Palace. Observe this route closely. You see, this is the entrance to the Palace Gardens. You'll take this street on the left of here, this avenue on the left of here. It's not a street, it doesn't have a central work site. Just follow the avenue straight. It's an 18-minute walk to Palais Garnier with well-maintained paths. This wonderful and luxurious building. Now, let's take a look at the places above, like Garnier Palace. This place of the opera, the place of the performance, the place of the theater, a lot of really nice things happen in this place. I particularly found the building very beautiful, both from the outside and from the inside, but it impressed me, you know? Now, people from Garnier Palace, we go to the Lafayette Gallery, which is well worth it. It is very beautiful inside. You will get a lot of cheap perfumes. Look, right behind Garnier Palace, very close. Now, before we see the route to the back, which is Facino, let's go to the plan of the street and see the Garnier Ballet in front. You will realize that you are different, right? When you have some events, they'll put some facades, they'll change the facade and put an ad in the front. It's there, how it's built. It was taken in the afternoon, not people. These pictures are there. The setting sun illuminates everything, leaving a very golden Paris. Very beautiful, very wonderful. This is the surrounding area of Garnier Palace. Parisian architecture captivates me because it's distinct from Brazil's style, offering a special allure. So it is very beautiful. It is a different beauty we see here in Brazil. There is Palais Garnier. Look at the gorgeous outside. You will see the people inside. Palais Garnier, Galeries Lafayette is very close. Only 4 minutes walk in the back is easy to reach. Now, just look at the road. You will get this. The street on the right, let's take a circle here, this. We kept walking just down the back block, the second block. Where was the Lafayette Gallery, the building? Everyone, here's an invaluable tip. Don't miss the stunning architectural Lafayette Gallery by Alto. It's a spectacular spot. Accessing the patio is completely free too. Head up to the terrace for stunning Paris views and breathtaking panoramas from above. It's incredibly rewarding and a fantastic experience. Sometimes we spend money in Paris, climb the Eiffel Tower and climb to places that charge, don't we? Then it gives you a vision, a concept, a height of Paris. Plus it's free of charge, absolutely worth the visit. Perfumes are pricey, you might think. However, during sales I've snagged amazing high-quality fragrances at unbeatable prices. Definitely worth exploring. Now, let's take a look at the street plan to see where the Lafayette Gallery is located. And right there, the entrance to the Galeries Lafayette is well worth seeing because it's very pretty inside, especially at Christmas time. It's decorated so well. We have a concept of the bottom of the street. When we're there, we don't feel lost. You look at the building and you're like, look, this is the building I see in the video. We're easy. We don't get lost. Conveniently, the Sephora shop is located directly across. Get familiar with your surroundings and discover the nearby buildings effortlessly. Navigating becomes so much easier while exploring. Everyone, this is the third video in the series Walking in Paris. Today we saw how to walk, how to get from Les Halles to the Royal Palace Gardens, from the Royal Palace to the Garnier Palace, and from Garnier to the Lafayette Gallery. I admit I don't know about the Lafayette Gallery to this day. Because of these mistakes, I don't know where it is. Now I and you all know how to get to the Lafayette Gallery. People, share this video with your friends, with people who travel to Paris. Let them learn how to walk. Easily shorten this video because you are glad it reaches more people. If you are not registered, register for the channel. We have 8 videos Paris series. This is the number 3 video. A great kiss to you. Even the next video, number 4,